Hi, today I want to show you this Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition camera. I always wanted to have action camera with 360 lens, so I decided to buy this ONE RS. Before I get to the cool stuff, let's check what's included. So when you open the box, you see all the components. First, you have the processing unit with 4K boost lens. I'm gonna come back to all these components in a second in more detail. Then you have the 360 lens. Then of course you have the battery pack, also full instructions as expected. Then you have this 360 lens protective cover, and then the Insta360 camera case. Now this case is redesigned from the ONE R camera, so basically it has this quick release switch, and that makes it really easy and fast to change the lens, for example. And then you have the holding screw mechanism, so you can put your Insta360 on the tripod or attach it to other Insta360 accessories. What's also great about this twin camera is this entire unit is very modular. So for example, some lenses and especially accessories could be used from Insta360 ONE R camera, and that's a big plus. Now the 4K boost lens lets you record up to 60 frames a second. You can also record in this kind of cinematic 6K ultra wide mode, and that's really nice. And the quality looks pretty nice too. Also, this camera allows you to take 48 megapixels pictures. You can set it up to many different modes, night picture mode, also how many frames a second you want to record, time lapse, and etc. And one more cool thing about it is that you can have the touch screen facing you and the camera opposite way, or if you're doing some kind of vlog, for example, then you can have both the screen and the camera facing you. Also, you have the 3-array microphone built in. The quality of it is, well, just listen for yourself, okay? But obviously, external microphone would be better if you want to record high quality audio. Now let's go to the really fun part, and of course, that's the 360 lens. With Rookie with this camera, I think that's not bad, right? And of course, 360 has a little bit different settings. Most of these fun, cool shots are gonna be recorded in 5.7K, 30 frames a second. But then there is also other things you can do with it too.